Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair dropped 0.6% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 2.3%, following a 2.7% intra-session dip. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the gold rise 0.3% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Wall Street's main index has advanced after the latest producer prices data led to a lowering in inflation forecasts, while the prospect of Russia-Ukraine peace talks prompted some risk-taking among investors. US producer prices increased solidly in January, offering more evidence that inflation was picking up again. Retail investors are increasingly liquidating their Bitcoin holdings amid growing institutional outflows and geopolitical tensions worldwide. The number of Bitcoin addresses with a non-zero balance sunk below 52.45 million, which marks an over 5-month low last seen in September 2024. The Canadian dollar strengthened to a 2-month high against its US counterpart as US bond yields declined and a key level of support for the American currency gave way. The loonie touched its strongest intraday level since December the 13th.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Import Price Index will be released at 13:30 GMT. The US Baker Hughes US Oil Rig Count at 18 GMT. Spain's Consumer Price Index at 8 GMT. The Dutch Gross Domestic Product will be released at 8:30 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC Net Positions at 20:30 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC Net Positions at 20:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.